welcome to another day out of the space. So today in our spelling class, we are going to continue with our spelling list number 19. So what we are going to do is what you already know. We are going to copy our words and our sentences from word number 11 to word number 20. As you remember, we are in the spelling list number 19. And today is Wednesday, August the 12th, 2020. Now, let's continue with our words. Okay, so this one was the last word from the last day of class, from Monday. So we are going to continue today here with this one. The first one that we have today is the word react. React, what does that word mean? In Spanish means reaccionar. And here we have one sentence. The horse may react if it is startled. Yes, copy the word and copy the sentence. Then the next one. Unusual. Unusual. It is very unusual to see snow in Florida. What does the word mean? Inusual or extraño. The next one. Oh my God, what do we have here? A sloth is a very inactive animal. What does the word inactive mean? Inactivo. That's why we have here a beautiful picture of one sloth. Then, in the next one. Oh my God, I really like this one. It was too cloudy last night to see a starlight. Yes! The starlight means luz estelar or luz de las estrellas. And it's a very beautiful word. And here we have another beautiful word. Moonlight. The puddles glisten in the moonlight. Moonlight means luz de luna. Yes, and here we have a beautiful picture of that. The next one says, Dad told a funny story with a twinkle in his eye, con un brillo en sus ojos. What does the word twinkle mean? Brillo. It's like shining. Something like that. So, the scientists saw the comet through a telescope. Comet. What does the word comet mean? Cometa. Very good. So, the word means cometa. Excellent. The next one is planets. We will learn about the planets in our solar system. Planets mean. So, here we have a beautiful picture with the sun and also with the planets there. And then we have here the names of each one of them. The next one is universe. The universe was created by God, of course. Universe, universo. And our last word today is the word earth. Earth. God made the earth a beautiful place, of course, because it is our planet. It's where do we live. Now your homework time. As homework, what you're going to do is to repeat 5 times from word number 11 to word number 20. That was everything for today's spelling class. I hope you enjoyed to travel with me out of space. And see you until next class. Bye bye. Keep safe and home, please always. Blessings and I love you so much. See you until next class.